guys, Moe-san here and welcome back again to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Moe and I do content about nursing in skincare and hair care. So guys, in today's video, I just wanted to share with you what I do with the rosemary essential oil. I did a video about this. Okay, so in that video, I talked about whether it has a proof or evidence to, regrow hair, or is it a good substitute to a proven medication such as minoxidil. Okay, so I just want to share with you how I use rosemary essential oil. What I do is, I actually mix it with my shampoo. So this is the Rio anti-hair loss shampoo. This is also an anti-dandruff shampoo. I did a lot of video of this and I actually got a new bottle of this. I'm gonna show you other two shampoo that I got. So this is the one. It's pretty pricey. It's like $22 for a 400 ml. But I actually got the package of 3. So I got 2 of this together. It also comes with this one. So this is damage care and nourishing treatment. So I think this is like a leave-on hair conditioner or something, but I haven't used this yet because I'm gonna go and try to finish the conditioner first, the deep cleansing and cooling conditioner. I also did a video on this, so if you guys go and check it out. So what I do is I put a little bit of drops of this in the shampoo. I mix it and then I use it only at night. Let me tell you, the feeling with additional rosemary oil, it's very refreshing, it's very cooling. Well, the shampoo alone is already very, cooling because it has a ginseng and mint. It's a good support treatment, it's good prior to applying your minoxidil. So it really helps with circulation, I guess. And in regards to the rosemary essential oil, there's very limited evidence. Although we do have a study comparing minoxidil and rosemary oil, a lot of the doctors are still not so convinced with using rosemary oil as a primary treat for hair loss, specifically the male or female pattern hair loss. I wouldn't recommend you guys using essential oils if you're having, hair loss or hair thinning. I would still recommend that you guys go to your doctor, get your assessment done, and get your medications because those are really proven ones. And when it comes to proven medications, for female, we have minoxidil, 2% or 5% foam, and sometimes your doctor can also prescribe spironolactone, which is an antihypertensive medication. They use it off-label to help with hair thinning and hair loss. Basically, it's also used for acne, for like hormonal imbalance. So if you guys are wanting to know more about that, I did a video on that also. But of course, guys, still go to your family doctor, your dermatologist, and get your assessment done, okay? So yeah, that's what I do. I mix a few drops of essential oils in the shampoo. You can also put a few drops, I guess, in your conditioner. I haven't done it. I usually put it in the shampoo because the shampoos are much more, it mixed well with the shampoos compared to conditioner because conditioners, they have much more thicker in consistency. So there we go, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video about what I do with the essential oils. And remember, guys, do not self-diagnose, okay? Always consult your doctor, your nurse, and your pharmacist for further questions. So anyways, guys, I'll see you again the next time on my next videos. Bye-bye!